explain the activity for me, son?
Oh yeah, I can explain the activity fine. Today we're going to be teaching the young kids how to stand and jump. So this involves seeing how far they can jump from a standing position. So we'll just demonstrate here. So that'll be 2 meters or stand and jump on an average would be 1 meter, something for the younger ones.
Have you seen any good results?
Yeah, I've seen some great results. I mean, this morning we had one all up to 190. I thought that was quite impressive. Yeah, I'm teaching them how to do the technique, so obviously that means keeping their legs together, using their arms to spring. Yeah, they're doing a great job.
So impressive young talent here.
Very impressive young talent.
And how do you feel today's going?
I think it's fantastic. I see the year sixes are having a great time in different time, and we get an opportunity to teach the younger ones how to use these different skills. Yeah, I think it's fantastic.
How do you think this is going to benefit them?
I think it's going to benefit. When it comes to the main sports, playing rugby, team sports, I think their main skills are just going to be improved. How jumping, stepping, how to do all these main things. I think it's going to be fantastic.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
Can you explain this station?
Yeah, this is the speed bounce test. Basically, kids have 20 seconds to jump from either side, and they have to land on both feet and leave with both feet. They touch the yellow bit in the middle, bounce doesn't count, and they have 20 seconds to do as many as possible.
How do you feel the day's going so far?
It's pretty successful, the kids seem to be enjoying themselves, everyone seems to be having a good time. It's a good atmosphere, it's good.
Is everyone acting professionally?
Oh, definitely. I think it's a fantastic for the team. Giving us a great message to all the kids. Positive role models. I think it's a great job.
So everything going to plan so far? Okay, thank you very much, Jacob. Can you explain your activity, what you're doing today then?
Basically, this is a high stepper. Children have to start on that yellow line. So they go behind here, they run up and jump in between. Basically, if they pass one of these steps, half a second is added onto their time. And they do this back and forth 4 times. That's my practice.
Have you got a good time so far?
Yes, one of my best times is 10.72 doing this, and the average is 20 seconds.
There you go, well so far then?
Yeah, it's great. The children are being well behaved and everything. It's pretty good. They're well disciplined.
What can they gain from this experience?
Well, future experiences within sport, I guess. It's a good activity. It's fun.
Okay, thank you very much, Dave.
No problem. Anytime.